Hey folks, it's the weekend. Let's go to CSSBattle.dev and do the daily target. Oh, yeah. This is great. I feel like I have a pretty good mental model of how to do this, but the fact that it includes a 45-degree angle line is a potential real problem. Uh, so let's do a border that's solid and this blue color. And we're doing the nested template, right? This, which is the HTML element and the body element doing its two things. So we have the light blue that will be on the HTML element, and then the rest of it is going to live on the body element. Okay, so for the box size, border, width, it's going to be 0, 0, 40 pixels, 40 pixels, something like that. Maybe it's 30. I don't know. Whatever those numbers are. And then we need to make sure that we have the right margins, 3. And then the reminder that this works only in, or does not work properly in Firefox, is my understanding. Last time I checked. That may yet change. All right, so right now we've got this background that's black. And the way I want to do this is a linear gradient that comes up from that bottom corner. That linear gradient is going to have an angle at the start of it. So it'll be the yellow and then the blue and then transparent because we let the light blue show through. And here's the challenge. Can I remember what that angle is? Is it 100? Is it 235 degrees and then yellow and then blue and then transparent? I think it is. Nope, that's opposite. Is it minus? No. Is it 45? It's 45 degrees. So that means it's coming the order. Yeah, I don't have the brain power right this minute to to know exactly why that angle is what it is. So I just set some numbers there. I use percentages just because it's fast. And now let's adjust those numbers and see if we can use percentages. Percentages are a nice way to do a gradient like this. 3 if we can get a perfect match. So 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 5. And you'll note that that is not really going great. Let's try another number. We'll try 60Q, 70, 65, 64, 63, 4, 5, 6, 7. I just want it to match really well. And so in this case, 67Q is pretty good. I do see a little bit of an overlay there, and that's a problem. But you know, we'll try and do it. So we'll keep two percentages for the second number. 45, 40. How about 30, 35? That could be right. And let's submit. So pretty straightforward set of technique here. Of course, you could make an element and rotate it. Another reason you can do that, you could use clip paths to get some of the clipping. You got to make decisions around all the other things you're going to do, of course. But there's a number of ways to do this. All right, so we are not at 100%, and I think the problem child is that inner yellow number. So if it's 67Q, we'll just try 67 pixels and then adjust that number. 60, is it 68? No, that's worse. 67, 66, 65, 64, 63. Oh, this might be a situation where we use half a pixel. Why? Because that's what we got to do. 65, 67.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 65. 0.5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now it's kind of hard to see. So 64, 0.5. See this? You just got to use the pixels. 6 pixels are going to be slightly better. So Q's are what? They're quarter millimeter. millimeter or something. I don't know. They're a goofy thing that I don't really embrace them because they're a little bit of a pain and a little wonky to work with. 60, 1, 2, 3.5. Let's try that. We're at 99.9%. This might be one of those situations where I have to battle quite a bit because, yeah, we're stuck at 99.9%. So let's do the conservative move and go 70 pixels. We'll use pixels for the second number. 6, 7, 8, 9, 91, 92, 93, 94. And submit that. We're looking for that 100% to come back. Right now we've got 99.9%, and that's a 100% match. So oddball numbers. Sometimes after getting the solution with a half pixel and changing another number, you learn that the half pixel wasn't necessary. I think in this case we do need it. Yeah, and then so that was 63. So we have 63.5. Now we just tried 63. Let's try 64. I know there's a visible diff there, but sometimes the back-end engine, which is again Chromium, isn't quite what we want. So 63.5, and then minify and unit replace, and that is how I'm choosing to solve this. Lots of ways to do this guy today, but that half what am I trying to say? The angled bit is the tricky bit. Getting a perfect match there can be very difficult. Yeah, that's all there is to it, really. You could choose to create an element and just do the top part and then rotate that all the angles down. So lots of different ways to play with that guy. That's enough for now. Hope you're having a great day. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. It's definitely rough out there for everybody. Well, for a lot of people. And go make a webpage, please. All right, get out of here. Bye.